Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to take Fizzante from Madame Glam. I mean, look at that. And I am going to apply a single layer all over the nail. I'm gonna give these a full cure. I am not going to cat eye them. I'm just leaving them as is. All right, go ahead and grab a magnet. And what I'm gonna do here is we are going to create that cat eye, but we are going to do it in that, like, not the line. I forget how I said it. I think I said like jewel effect. All right, so what I'm gonna do is push, and you can see we get that awesome look. I'm just flash curing that in place so you can see the difference on these guys. And I just love that jewel effect. And I like it because I feel almost as if it makes the color slightly lighter in this case. It is a beautiful color, but I feel like it adds like some depth to it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, just flash curing that. So I'm grabbing this chrome. It is just a little see-through chrome, but I like that it's pink. And I'm just gonna apply this to the tacky layer. So personally, I like to have a separate top coat that I label for loose powders. So when I top coat this, if there's glitter or powder or anything that was left over from a previous set, it's in this guy and not in the one that I want to smooth. So I haven't even gotten to the design part, but these look amazing. I wish you could see them in real life. I'm gonna try to capture a photo of what they look like in real life. All right, let's do some spider gel. So you definitely want to make sure that you are not curing this on your nail. So you'll notice I will wipe off the gel that gets on my skin. Ideally, you would probably want to put a base down, like a peel base, but I just wipe it off.
Next, we are going to go in with Kevin from Madame Glam. This was from their holiday collection, and I'm going to be drawing some hearts, some lips, and some dots, and we are going to still cat eye them. The camera went in and out of focus a little bit, so you may see some jumps in time to where all of a sudden half the nail is done, but sorry about that, but we will get through it.
All right, here we go. I'm literally obsessed. I wish you guys could see these in real life. They are so mesmerizing. I'm just obsessed. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.